how to add videos to a playlist on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your YouTube studio from your YouTube channel, and here it will take you to this page. Click on content right here, and now select the videos from your videos here that you want to add to your playlist, and click here on add to playlist and choose the playlist that you want. You can create new one from here. For example, let's call it films, and choose the visibility, public or private, and click create. Now I'm gonna add my video, those two videos to films. Click save, and I just created a playlist. Let's see it, and here is it right here, as you can see on my channel. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.